Today I will show you how to cook the best ต้มยำกุ้งสวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe welcome to my channel Nin is cooking don't forget to subscribe today's dish is one of the most iconic Thai dish the name is ต้มยำกุ้ง if you don't know what it is spicy soup with Thai herbs and prawn or shrimp are you ready let's go As always, I will start with vegetables. Diagonally cut mushroom. Sorry, Toronto eats mushroom again. Remove the midrib. And tear the leaves apart. For Curantro, cut it about 2 or 3 centimeters. Same for green onion. Get rid of the lemongrass head and diagonally cut it. For galangal, just cut it into medium chunks. Now, lambs. I cut it this way because I'm going to squeeze it by hand. And don't forget to remove the seeds. Cut chili in half. And remove seeds because when you eat soup, you don't want that seeds to disturb while you swallow, right? I put chili in lamb juice to preserve its color. Shrimp. I use scissors to cut the back. That makes it easier to remove the skin. Then remove the vein. This recipe we will keep tail skin and shrimp head, but we have to cut the front head part. Now, let's cook it! Add lemongrass and galangal in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic comes out. Yeah, I think it's ready. Then add shrimp. If you know me, you know I don't like overcooked shrimp. So I will take it now. Add Kaffir lime leaves and mushroom. Once it's cooked, mix chili paste with some soup. And pour it. Add chili. And fish sauce. Stir again. I will taste it. Salty and spicy, I think is enough. So, it's finished. Lastly, add Curantro, lime juice, and green onion. Stir for the last time. Perfect. Put the shrimp back and it's ready to serve. You know why? Tom Yam Goong is the most famous Thai dish because this is full of Thai flavor, spicy, salty, sour. Like this is so Thai. You have to try it. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye.